so today, as I've said, I've decided to grow my hair longer this year, but before I want to do that, I actually want to get a trim on my ends, and this is going to be the last kind of like big trim before I grow it out. So I requested my sister this time to do it, because last time I did it myself and I don't know if I did like a good job at all. Laura, how much are we getting off?
3 inch.
3 inches off.
Above the butt.
No, underneath my butt.
Here.
Yeah.
This is too short.
Okay, probably cut about just that much. Or maybe you can cut it until here. Cut a little bit, Laura.
You ready?
I am ready.
Okay, like beneath your shorts.
Beneath my shorts first? Yeah. Okay.
We'll see what will happen.
At least those little flyaways at the bottom is going to, you know, be all removed. And I think this would be a great thing, because if I'm growing out my hair, I actually want my ends to be really healthy. So from there, I can just maintain it. Versus, you know, if I don't cut it, if I don't trim it, and then it looks really bad. Right? I can hear the chopping sounds.
Yeah. Because your hair is so thick. Did you know that?
Oh, and also, by the way, I know to some of you who'd be like, you know, why are you growing your hair longer? It's because for those hair arts. Oh,
yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this. I know I'm being like OA. I'm just like, oh my goodness, there's like a difference. But it's good, I like it. You actually got rid of the flyaways a little more.
Yeah.
Can y'all see? I actually want to do this hair art thing. And we found out that my hair is not that long.
It's actually a pain cutting your hair. Did you know that?
Is it katadlong na kanami?
One more.
Alright.
Okay, why don't you check it out?
Alrighty. Actually, this is like really good. It's nice, right? Because like the ends are super healthy again, and they're actually straight this time.
Yeah, it looks so straight.
Do you think we should stop or like cut? My God! What? I did not realize, guys. Call me a drama queen or whatever, but look at this. All right, that's how much hair she got, and this is how long it is. Do you think this is 1 inch? No, more than. It's more than an inch.
Yeah.
Laura!
But what? This is what you want, right? Like
I know.
Really, like really short.
Right?
Not short.
But at least my ends actually looks nice and healthy.
Yeah.
Nice
Look.
and healthy. Yeah.
See?
Mhm.
Looks like a fan.
So you know what? I think that's enough. I would want you to cut more, but then I saw this and I'm like, this is a lot. This is not a joke. I literally thought you're gonna cut like probably half of this at first.
You know me,
She
right?
You
know
she
me,
didn't
right?
hold back, you guys. It's good. This is a brand new start. This is what we call pruning. You know what they said?
What?
You're gonna look like super Asian if your hair is like mine.
Black?
Yeah.
Really?
Let's make that happen.
See?
Let's make that happen again.
Oh my
I think
God.
last time we did this, but I want. Can you hide some of my hair?
Wait,
Like your
there.
old, yeah.
Okay.
Like
wait,
put your-
wait, like here, like that.
Ganyan kasi oo, ayan.
Okay.
Side view ka.
There.
Yeah. Oh my God. You can. Oh my gosh, and Lord.
This is like a commercial thing.
I know. If I just hint myself somewhere. I can't. Wait, you have to hold it. You have to-
Stop it.
What?
Just be there. Just be there, like the popping girl.
I'm just a popping girl at the back.
Or someone.
Okay.
Yeah, like.
I feel like we kind of look-ish alike if your hair is
Yeah,
like
right?
dark.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my
finally,
God.
finally we're gonna look like sisters.
More
yeah.
on the side.
I
More on
know.
the side.
Yeah, side view, yeah.
But
I feel like I can actually put a whole head of hair to another person with my hair alone.
That's right.
So, you know what? If I'm ever gonna cut my hair in the future, I'd probably just donate it, you know? So at least someone can like benefit from the hair.
Can we like do this again?
I'm gonna do this properly. Again. There, ayun.
There.
Aloka, ayan. Diba?
On this.
Yeah.
Wait. A little bit more here because I look baldy here.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
Like there. Oh no.
Oh, no. No, just here lang gani. Oh,
Okay.
ayan.
Okay.
Diba?
It looks like I have a wig.
Yeah. Except it's real hair though.
There. Sige
Ayan,
na, there.
ayan.
There.
Okay.
Wait.
Diba?
What's this? Okay, there.
If you all didn't know like that's my hair, you'd probably think that that's my sister's hair. Like it looks legit.
Yeah.
Even like siguro yung shorter hair, blang trend ginaang.
Okay, let's do the short hair.
Okay. Oh my gosh, yes, Laura, yes, you're rocking this short hair. I know that some of you guys would like to see my sister's hair like dark like mine, but you know, we all have preference, and she wants her hair to be dyed in that shade or lighter and all that, and that's totally fine. I feel like that's part of like being a woman sometimes.
Yeah.
Right? You just want to dye your hair in a different shade.
And it's fun if you have a different hair shade, or you know, when you're changing colors.
Yeah. With my sister, she has so much fun with her hair because she can change color. And also I think the advantage for you guys who have colored hair is that, you know, when you do hairstyles, when you do braids, it really does show. I feel like this would be a great variety because I know not all of you would like stick to just having natural color. Some of you are, you know, would like to be adventurous and all that. So if you want to go... Yeah, like my sister, you know? So maybe if you change your hair color, we can document that. So basically that is it, you guys. Any changes that I want to do in my hair, I'm gonna update you all. And also any changes on my sister's hair that she's going to do for some of you who really likes, you know, to dye your hair and to be adventurous. And maybe, you know, if I can find hair products that we can actually like dye your hair with, like those temporary ones. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that to my sister's hair. And also, by the way, you guys, on my second channel, I'm making a video there with my sister to Filipinos try American snacks. So if you all want to see that video, I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna link that in the description box down below. It's on my vlogging channel. So that is it, and I will see you, or we will see you in our next video. Bye!